Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you are trying to send messages on Instagram and is failed to send, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to go to settings, turn off Wi-Fi and wait for few seconds, then turn on back to refresh the Wi-Fi connection. Then go back to settings, general, and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Here we have to tap on reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After the restart, what we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store. A menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Here we have to check the list. Is there any update available for Instagram? If there is, then we have to update the Instagram app. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then what we have to do, go to settings, general, tap soft update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Then go back to general, transfer reset iPhone, reset and tap reset network settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.